Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best large wicker basket is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing storage solutions available today, seamlessly blending functionality with a touch of natural charm to elevate any living space. Whether you're looking to declutter your home, organize your laundry, or simply add a decorative element that brings warmth and texture to your decor, these baskets offer an eco-friendly and stylish alternative to conventional plastic containers, making them a popular choice for conscious consumers seeking both practicality and visual appeal in their home furnishings. Number 5. INDRESSME XXXLarge Blanket Basket. Tired of clutter? This large basket is designed to hold all your essentials, from blankets and pillows to toys and laundry. It's the perfect solution to tidy up your entire living space. Enhance your home's aesthetic with this beautifully hand-woven basket. Its neutral tones and unique texture complement any decor style, adding a touch of elegance to your living room, bedroom, or nursery. With its impressive XXL capacity, this basket can handle it all. Store family clothing, cozy blankets, plush toys, or use it as a laundry hamper. It's designed to meet all your storage needs. Crafted from soft cotton rope, this basket is gentle on skin and fabrics. It's a safe choice for storing baby essentials, ensuring no scratches or snags, unlike harder materials. Featuring convenient dual handles, moving this basket is a breeze. Effortlessly transport it between rooms, making organization seamless and strain-free. Looking for a practical yet elegant gift? This versatile basket is ideal for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. Show your loved ones you care with a gift that combines style and utility. What we like? This basket offers an XXL capacity, perfect for decluttering your entire home. Its soft cotton rope material is family-friendly and safe for all your belongings. If you have a large family or a lot of items to store, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say? The size is generous without being bulky, and it holds a surprising amount while still looking neat and structured. The cotton rope feels sturdy and well woven, not flimsy or scratchy, and it holds its shape well even when full. It works great for blankets, laundry, or general storage, and the neutral design fits easily into any room. Number 4. SONGMICS Woven Storage Basket URST76BR. This storage basket comes with a lid that opens easily with one hand. It helps to keep unpleasant odors contained and dust away from your belongings. The liner is crafted from thick polycotton fabric, making it sturdy and long-lasting. You can easily remove it for convenient hand or machine washing. With a large 160-liter capacity, this bin is perfect for various uses. Store blankets by the sofa, laundry in the bedroom, or off-season clothes in the closet. Its waterproof and breathable woven exterior keeps contents dry, while the robust metal frame ensures it can hold up to 66 pounds. Integrated cutout handles make it simple to transport. Plus, its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. What we like? This storage bin comes with a convenient lid to keep dust and odors at bay. The durable, removable liner makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a robust and hygienic storage solution for your laundry or off-season clothes, this is the one to choose. What people say? With a whopping 42.3-gallon, 160L capacity, this storage basket can accommodate a multitude of items, from blankets and pillows to toys and seasonal clothing. The SONGMICS storage basket with lid is a stylish and spacious storage solution that has exceeded my expectations. Its elegant design, generous capacity, and durability make it a valuable addition to any home. It is well made and sturdy. It has stood up to daily opening and closing of the lid and the weight of 2 queen-sized blankets and 2 standard pillows. Number 3. Best Choice Products 5-Pack Water Hyacinth Cube Storage Baskets. Introducing a set of 5 beautifully hand-woven storage baskets. Crafted from 100% natural water hyacinth, they bring an authentic, textured feel to any room. These baskets feature a lightweight design with convenient cutout handles for easy carrying. When not in use, their collapsible nature allows for simple storage. This set offers the perfect blend of style and practicality for your home. They are ideal for keeping your living space tidy and organized. Add a charming and functional touch to any area. They are perfect for organizing laundry, beauty products, cleaning supplies, and much more. Each basket is meticulously handwoven from sustainable water hyacinth. This ensures a unique, textured surface that enhances your decor. Optimize your space with these versatile organizers. They can be stacked or arranged in various configurations to suit your organizational needs. What we like? Get a set of 5 multi-purpose baskets, handwoven from natural hyacinth. Their compact and collapsible design makes them perfect for optimizing space. If you need versatile storage for smaller items or want to organize multiple areas of your home efficiently, this set is a great value. What people say? Very well made and sturdy. Great brown color. Elegantly woven, smooth and neatly finished around pull openings and all sides. These boxes are collapsible for easy transport, flat reopening, and the floor section is attached, so won't be lost. Number 2. CHICVITA Wicker Laundry Basket with Handles. Introducing a beautifully crafted wicker basket, designed to bring style and organization to any room. Its generous size is perfect for decluttering your living space. From cozy blankets and cushions to shoes and toys, this multi-purpose basket handles it all. It's also a charming home for your indoor plants, adding a touch of nature. Featuring 2 large, sturdy handles, carrying your belongings is a breeze. Place it conveniently beside your sofa, in a closet, or any corner that needs a touch of order. Looking for a thoughtful present? This decorative basket makes a wonderful gift for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. It's both beautiful and incredibly practical. Crafted from soft jute and cotton rope, it's safe for your family, including children and pets. The gentle material protects your clothes, floors, and hands from scratches. Arriving folded for convenience, it quickly regains its shape with a few items inside or a quick iron. When not in use, it folds flat for simple storage. What we like? Crafted from soft jute and cotton rope, this basket is gentle on your belongings and safe for homes with kids and pets. The large handles make it easy to transport. If you appreciate a soft, natural aesthetic and need a versatile basket for various items like blankets, toys, or plants, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The basket is large and sturdy, perfect for storing blankets and pillows. It has a beautiful woven design that adds a touch of elegance to the room. The handles are strong and comfortable to grip, making it easy to move around. Number 1. Vintiquewise Natural Wicker Picnic Basket. Discover the charm of this handcrafted wicker basket. Its classic woven design adds a touch of elegance to any setting. With 2 sturdy handles, carrying your essentials is a breeze. It's designed for convenient transport wherever you go. This basket is a practical addition to any home. Use it for gifts, food, or simply for organizing your favorite items. Measuring approximately 13 by 10.25 by 4.75 inches, it's the ideal size for various uses. It's perfect for creating personalized gift baskets. Whether for a picnic, a gift, or home decor, this basket fits every need. Its attractive and elegant look makes it suitable for any occasion. Crafted from natural willow, this basket brings a touch of nature indoors. It's perfect for garden and home decor alike. What we like? This handcrafted willow basket features an attractive lining and 2 sturdy handles for easy carrying. Its compact size makes it perfect for specific uses. If you're looking for a decorative and functional basket for gifts, food, or small home organization needs, this elegant option is ideal. What people say? The basket is larger than I expected based on the measurements given. This basket is adorable. I am using it as a way to wrap a present for my mom's birthday. It is perfect for holding a bottle of wine, some chocolates, and bath items. This basket is also sturdy and great for apple picking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.